Hello, I'm Liz, I'm 37 years old and I'm from Kent, and this is my instasmile review and a little bit of info about myself. When I was a teenager I had buck teeth, so I had to have a brace for 3 years, which left my teeth pretty stained and weak. And then when I was 18, all my wisdom teeth came through at the same time, so then it jumbled up everything. So that it was a waste of time having a brace for 3 years. And then when I was 19, I was a victim in a car accident. Along with many other injuries, I smashed 6 of my top teeth and a couple of my bottom ones. Now my compensation was only £3,000 in 1999, so it wasn't enough to repair all the damage. As the years went on, my damaged teeth crumbled and I have a mismatch of crowns. And then one of my front teeth was so badly damaged after quite a few years that I had to have it taken out, and now I wear a denture. So for my birthday this year, I asked my family, my best friend and my husband to chip together to buy me a top and bottom set classic A1 from instasmile. Now I've been looking at the reviews and I was really impressed, so fingers crossed. And I have my instasmile right here. I haven't opened it, so right, firstly I want to show my teeth. So a bit of a close-up. How I top, they're very stained, and my bottom ones are chipped, and actually they're really poor. So I'm going to show you my denture, which is unfortunately very ugly. So I'm going to break that out, and then you'll see what I have to look at myself like every day. So as you can see, I really need some nice teeth. It's literally my dream. You know, if anyone ever asks you if you could have any cosmetic surgery, what would you have? And for me, it's always been my teeth. I could put up with anything else in my life. It would be my teeth, definitely. So here we are. Oh, I can't open it. Oh, they're here. Okay, here they are. Comes with a little mirror. Okay, I don't know what ones to put in first. Oh. So I'm shaking. Okay, I'm going to put my bottom ones in first. So here are my bottom ones. They feel really secure. Now I'm going to put my top ones in. Oh. What do you think?